Okay, so now I'll show you how to insert page numbers in a Word document. And if suppose I have this document, in this document, the page number starts from here. And as you can see, this is list of figures and list of tables, and also I don't want page numbers to start from here. I want page numbers to start from chapter number 1. So for doing that, first thing I need to do is I need to turn on this all the hidden formatting. So I'll turn this on, and you can see that page break is here. So instead of page break, I need to insert a section break just before chapter 1. So the page before chapter 1 I need to insert. So here you can see sometimes this page break will not show. In Windows it's a little different, so it will show section break. So I'll just go here and search for section break. So here it says insert page and section breaks. I'll click on here this next page. So here now you can see it shows section break. So okay, I need to get rid of this page break. So after section break, my chapter 1 starts. Okay, so now I will again go to I'll again click on this header where I want my page 1 to start. So I'll click on this header. After this I'll go to page number, and I'll go to format page numbers. Here I will start at I'll select this start at 1 and click OK. So now you can see my chapter number 1 is page number 1, and again this section has a different numbering. So if I want, I can have a different numbering for list of figures. So I will again click on the header on the first page where the list of figures starts. Here I want a different set of style of page numbers. So here I'll click again to format page numbers, and from here I can select a different type of formatting. Maybe let's say I want the Roman numbers. So I'll start at 1. Again I have to start at Roman number 1 from where my list of figures starts, and here I will click OK. So now you can see it says this is first page in Roman numerals, and page 2 and table of contents is also in Roman numerals. I can now switch off this formatting tool, show hide formatting tool, and now when I come to chapter number 1, chapter number 1 is page number 1. And similarly you can check in the list of in the contents here I need to update this. So this content page I need to list of contents I need to update. When I update this table, update entire table. So now you can see my introduction is page number 1, and list of figures, list of tables and contents, these are shown in the Roman numerals. So I hope this was helpful. Do subscribe for more such videos.